Hello everyone, Lovely here. I just wanted to come by or stop in to show you all the collection that I was able to pick up from Dollar Tree. I did find out that not all of the Dollar Trees have this collection available. You may want to call some of your local stores to find out if they do have it available. According to the person that I spoke with at my local Dollar Tree, they stated that the collection was placed in the stores for Mother's Day. It's in a display case. Some of them are in the areas of the stationery along with the rest of the stationery, and some aren't. They're inside of a display case. So you may want to contact them to find out if they have it available before driving to your local Dollar Tree. Here are the items I was able to pick up. This is a acrylic block for stamps. I was able to get a stamp pad that have two small pads in it, but I'll have to get a different one in order to use these letters. And this is the acrylic letters, or the plastic letters. Sorry about that. And then I have the magnetic clips or bookmarks. And then I have two rulers, page flags or page clips. And then I have the elastic band. I bought two of the sets of dividers so that I'll be able to fill the entire planner or divide the sections in the entire planner and not just 3 sections. I wasn't able to pick up the pockets, and I wasn't able to pick up the month on 2 pages, and I wasn't able to pick up the notes because my store didn't have them. And I called them this morning, they still don't have them available. So I'll keep trying back and hopefully I can come across them and I'll be able to get them. The other items that I picked up was 1 packet of the Let's Do This, and it has 50 sheets. I was able to pick up the internet passwords, and it has 50 sheets. I was able to get 3 packs of the This Week, which you really only need 2 in order to get the 52 weeks for the year. So if I do come across the month on 2 pages, more than likely I'll return one of these packs and get the month on 2 pages instead. As far as these stickers, I was able to get 3 packs of each. One is the border stickers, and it's 2 sheets in each one. The next is page flag stickers. And I was able to get some stickers to decorate with. I was also able to get 3 packages of the page, the sticky notes. Now, as far as the binders go, the binder that you'll have to get is this particular binder here, which is a 1-inch binder. And this one is made by Jot. This is the binder that they have that goes along with this particular collection. As you'll see on the label on the front of the planner inserts, it says binders and stationery aisle. That's this binder that they're speaking of. Because there's a display case, as I mentioned earlier, for these products. Some stores have them in the aisles with the rest of the stationery. Some don't. They actually have a display case for them. So the only items that I don't have, as I mentioned earlier, are the month on 2 pages, the notes, as well as, what else was it that I was missing? The pockets. So those are the items that I want to get. I want to get 2 packages of pockets, 1 month on 2 pages, because it should be enough in 1 pack for an entire year. And the last item is the notes, and that'll be it. And that's all I was able to get. I hope you all are able to find it. And you all have a blessed day.